everyone, and welcome to Organized by Chance. Today I want to share with you my January favorites for organization, and all of these items are in my kitchen. They're all super affordable and I can't wait to share them with you. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what your favorite things are to use for organizing in your kitchen. So let's get into it. If you don't have a lot of space for storage, you can still organize and have things look nice. Like this tray I got from IKEA that I use to organize my coffee, and the one above that I got from Home Goods. I also use this rack to display my coffee mugs because I don't have a lot of storage space in my cabinets. You can check out my Declutter My Mug video above, and I have another shelf that my husband built for me to display those mugs. So if you don't have a lot of cabinet space, this is a great way to organize your coffee supplies and still have it look great. Next up is pantry storage. I love these clear containers for dry goods, such as flour and mason jars for rice. Down below, I have plastic bins that I put my canned goods in, so they're easy just to pull out and see what I have. And below that, I have another couple of bins that I put other dry goods in, so they're easy to keep contained and they don't get lost in the back. It's easy to get things lost back there. And if you don't want to go buy those things, just use what you have, a little Rubbermaid container. That's what I'm keeping my dry seasoning in. And if you're wondering how to make sure that the expiration's not out, like this one, the expiration is out, just use painter's tape and tape on the inside, and also the instructions for what you're trying to use that product for. Since I don't have a lot of cabinet space for food storage wraps, this caddy that I can slide in my pantry is absolutely perfect. The wraps just slide right in and out. I got it at Walmart for less than $10. My next tip is under the sink. I again use those clear storage containers to put all my dishwasher tabs in, my SOS pads, and then next to that I just got a clear shoe box from the Dollar Tree to put my cleaning supplies in. It keeps everything from falling over and falling to the back. Next up are these clear storage bins that I got again at Home Goods to put in my refrigerator. It keeps everything from getting, again, slid to the back where I don't know what I have. I always take things out of the packaging because that way it's easier to store in there, and I love that these drawers just slide right out. It keeps everything neat and nice. They're easy to wipe out, and it's just one of my favorite kitchen organizations. Okay, everyone, I hope you found this helpful. As you can see, organizing can be used as decor pieces. It can be easy, it can be affordable, and I hope to see you next month on my February favorites for organization. Until next time, let's continue to make space for the things that we love. Bye!